Hi everyone. So in this video I'm gonna guide you how to install MySQL Server and MySQL Workbench. So just go into the MacBook SailPoint installation and then go into software for MacBook folder. So here you can see there are two versions of MySQL Server. One is ARM64 and the other one is x86 underscore 64. So the reason I'm having two versions of MySQL Server is that MacBook comes with Intel as well as ARM chipset or processor. So anyone who has MacBook before or 2019, you can use this version. Anyone who has got MacBook post 2019, they can utilize ARM64 as the MacBooks after 2019 are contains ARM processors. So I would just go with 86 as my MacBook contains Intel chipset. So double click on it. So once I double click, it will show me this folder and click on it. So once it is clicked, it will allow us to run the program. Click on allow, click on continue, click on continue, click on agree, click on install, and type in your password for your MacBook. Click on install. So click on this use strong password encryption for the root user. So just type in cell point. With that I mean just type in cell point IIQ. So just type in this password SAILPOINT as the password during this installation. So MySQL server will have a root user and the password I'm going to use is cellpoint IIQ, SAILPOINT and click on finish. So just type in your MacBook password and click on OK. So this will complete the installation of our MySQL server. So it says that MySQL server has been installed. Click on close. And then our next step is to install MySQL Workbench. So double click on it and just drag and drop into this application. So this is a way to install some applications in MacBook. Okay, so our Microsoft Workbench is also installed. So go into your Launchpad and search for Workbench. So you'll find a icon like that. Okay, so anytime whenever you try to access MySQL Workbench and you get a prompt warning as like this, then you have to do some settings. So just click on this Apple logo and go into system setting and then search for user and groups, or click on this privacy and setting. So once you search for user and click on privacy and security, here you can find a message which says that MySQL Workbench was blocked from use because it is not from an identified developer. So because of this message, I wasn't able to run MySQL Workbench. So click on Open Anyway, type in your password, click on Unlock. So now I'll be able to forcefully open MySQL Workbench. So click on Open. See, now I'm able to access MySQL Workbench. So the local instance 3306 is the MySQL server configuration. So in order to connect to this MySQL server, double click on it and it will ask for the password, and the password for this root user account is sailpoint, SAILPOINTIIQ, and click on save password in keychain and click on OK. See, now I'm able to connect to MySQL server from Workbench, and if I want to know the status of MySQL Workbench, just click on this start up or shut down quick link under this instance category. Click on it, and here you can see that the database server instance is running, which means that our MySQL server is running. So this is the way how you install MySQL server and then install MySQL Workbench to connect to MySQL Workbench. So in the next video, I'm going to describe you how to install an alternate software to MySQL Workbench, which is called Database Visualizer. So I prefer utilizing Database Visualizer because the UI and the interaction on that database visualization software is quite easy. So in the next video, I will guide you through the installation of DB Visualizer and also help you run some SQL scripts in order to create the default identity IQ database tables. So until then, I'll see you in next video. Thank you.